Yo, what up guys, this is Poppin C again. If you're tired, I will be here again. No, I'm tired. Okay, I'm joking. So let's go. So now for this class, it's gonna be twists. You know, I give you some really simple and basic twist tool to you guys to use on your freestyle process to push your creativity and imagination working, you know. So you can use that process to your own freestyle and try to find different angles and different pictures of the twist. So I'm gonna teach you guys twist or flex first, and then I show you some tool position, really simple angles that you can use later on your freestyle. So we go with the first step. We go back here. Take your hips, twist, okay? You go down, connect your head with your knees. You twist chest and hips at the same time. And then chest, head, step, okay? We go back, same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget, pop each position. Pictures, you have to pop. Pop, pop, pop. Boom, bam. Pop, pop, pop. And back, back, here. Boom, boom, and stop here. Okay? So this is twist or flex. So we try with the music faster. We go and back, and then we go with the variation of twist. Let's go. Double. Hell yeah! Okay, this was the twist or flex. So now, how I practice my twist, angles, position, variation is first I try really simple. I connect only my head to twist the main point. For the first step is going to be the head. So I go with the head and I just follow, okay? So the head's driving. So I go 1, twist, 1, twist, 1, twist. You can go around, but I just show you on the face. So first step is really easy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then just with this one, you can directly change level. So you can go 1, 2, here, 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 here. Is already a different angle and different picture with only one twist. So it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back. Okay? You can play even you finish here and then you can go here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and back. It's already 3 variations, and I use only my head to drive. So you can make your creativity bigger. So next, I will try to follow in my chest, only my chest. So it's 1, 2, and legs. That means I go here, here, and then the legs follow. This goes 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. One more. Slowly here. Here. I keep my head looking over there. Twist. Here. Here. Twist. Here. Here. And here. 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 We go faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We try with the music.
Wait. Before we move on, I want to quickly introduce my online popping tutorial platform, Everyday Popping. We've got over 100 classes covering everything from how to pop with each body parts, foundations, choreography, freestyle tactics, and even a beginner course specially designed for those new to popping. You will also get monthly personalized feedback from me, plus lessons from world-renowned international guest teachers. If you want to grow and level up your popping, Everyday Popping has you covered. Join now at EverydayPopping.com to learn more and start your popping journey. Alright, back to the class.
Hell yeah, baby. So first, we're gonna go only with the head, okay? Only head driving on the beat, and then we go 1, 2, 3. Hell yeah, baby. So you see, it's really simple, but already with this kind of stuff, you can play like you want. Example, you go here, back, 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 move, and boom, boom, boom. You can play whatever you want. You need to understand, this is one part, this is one part, and this is one part. So I try always, when I move, example legs, to keep others parts stuck on the same place. Or I move only 2 at the same time. But I never move 3 at the same time. I can just do this, but it's not twisting. You're just moving side to side, you know. So I try really, example, if I want to go like this, I move chest and legs. Or I want to do this, only legs. Only this, chest, head. Same when you hear. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, boom, boom. It's the same process. So we can change levels here, here. So it goes 1, 2, twist, back, and up. One more. I try to remember what I show you guys. So it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's right. 4, 5, 6. You know, that's the point. Like, my brain is working really fast. So every time I do something, I try to reset. For me, reset is the best way to look different every time and renew your freestyle. So whatever, we keep doing simple. Here, left, left, here, back, 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 up. We go right side, down, twist, 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 and back. Okay? One more. 7, 8, down, twist, 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 back, down, twist, 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 twist. All right. So we try with the music. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. Double pop, 7, 8, here. Hell yeah. Keep in mind, I know maybe some position is hard to pop, like when we hear, it's really hard to pop, but that's, for me, if somebody can pop in every different angle, that can make the difference between some dancers, because we all learn to pop simple way, okay, simple picture, but since you goes a little bit deep with your angles, it's become hard to keep the same level looking of popping power. So if you can work on this, could be amazing. So try to keep the pop every time you twist. So I try to give you one more. Let's go, let's go. Let me think about it. Hell yeah. Okay. So we can go now. We stay front. It's still kind of twist, but we stay, you know, on the front side. Here, 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 here. Okay? It's same, but 2D. This for me is 3D because we go around. This is 2D, no moving. So we here. Head, here, twist, back, boom, back. 7, 8, cut, boom, 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 bam. Okay? One more. 7, 8. You go. Head, shoulder, down, back, shoulder, bam. Left side, here, 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 bam. 7, 8, one more. Here, 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 bam. So we go a little faster is can, soon, soon, boom, pa, soon, soon, hoom, hoom, boom, bam. And if you go faster, ka, fum, fum, ka. Yes. So we try music.
Could you come a little bit more? You keep going back.
Sorry. I don't want to run away, don't worry. I'll stay here everyday popping, guys.
Yes.
Hell yeah. go. Here, 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 here. Hell yeah! Okay guys, I just show you again, remind you guys, you have the twist, and don't forget, like the arms you can put whatever you want, wherever you want. So here, 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 here. Okay, everybody is free. So here, down, twist, 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 and back here. Boom. And twist, back, back, back. And then you have the simple, also pop. You need to keep the pop. Each position, each move you do, bam, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now down, pop, 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 and back, back, up, down, bam, twist, hand, back, and back, front. Yes, front, here, here, twist, back, boom, and left, twist, back, boom, bam. Hell yeah, guys. I hope you like the twist. Now you have to work, because I cannot do it for you. I can give you the tips and the tool, but you have to work, guys. Everyday popping.
Poppin C.
Yes.
Would you mind if you're down?
Yeah.
Would you mind showing like 30-second or like short freestyle using
Yeah, no problem. Sure, I'm down. Yeah. Okay, I show you some freestyle with twist. Hell yeah, baby. This is everyday popping. Hell yeah.